Do you want to turn text into full songs? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step on how to create music with Suno AI. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Suno AI. It's pretty quick. What each plans offer, and how to create your first song, how to customize, remix, and extend your music, and by the end, you'll get your own AI-generated track ready to go. So, right to begin, let's look at the different tiers that we have. So on the free tier, this one's $0 a month. You get access to the V3.5, which is the lesser version of the AI. You get 50 new credits a day, which is 10 songs daily, but you sadly can't use them commercially. If you opt for the Pro or the Premier plan, you can use your songs anywhere that you like because you actually own it. It also behaves like a DAW, so you can edit it. You have different stems and different layers for your vocals and for the beat, and you can create up to 500 songs monthly or up to 2,000 songs monthly if you use the Premier plan. So let's go ahead and look at the dashboard. Basically, the dashboard here behaves like your Spotify's. It's different creators that have made a name for themselves, creating music, creating beats, creating iconic songs using the AI music generator. And I like the layout. It's pretty fun. It's pretty friendly. It's got the social media / streaming platform vibe to it. You can just vibe, cruise along. You like some art, you press it, it plays instantly. And as one can see, you can either use some of these beats, you can remix some of the beats that are on here right away, which we'll get into later, and it tells you exactly a bunch about the prompt that was used and the fact that it was used using 4.5. So this guy paid the Premier plan. So let's hop right into the Create tab and see how you can use Suno AI. So here's the songs that I have created before, just while toying around. It's pretty nice and intuitive, and I like it. There's a custom one, there's a simple one. Let's start with a simple one, very ChatGPT style, right? Do you want to add lyrics? No, we don't want anything, just create right ahead. You press create, and this one is actually one of the faster ones. I've toyed around with other technologies that generate music using AI, and they weren't nearly as quick. So right, you were using the free plan, but yet we get it right here very quickly. It didn't take 30 seconds. Get Brooklyn Tales. Let's listen to Brooklyn Tales. Very biggie, as you can see. Now we can add our own lyrics to it after having created the beat. Very biggie of you, very smalls of me. Whatever. The style we want, Brooklyn gangsta rap. And there are advanced options like increasing the slider on weirdness or style influence. However, these are backed by the Pro plan, to say the least. The song title is Gangsta Brooklyn. Okay, now we create. Let's see if it creates more songs. Now, as you can see, it created 2 already, so that used 5 and 5. So now we've got 30 credits left. All right, let's listen to the beat now with our new lyrics. Very big in you. As you can see, very small in me. And it does it in such a cool way, I'm not gonna lie. All right. Very big in you. Very small in me. And it's very Brooklyn, and it's very boom bap, and it's honestly super cool. Now, Suno AI is very cool in the fact that it's more nuanced than most of the other AI generators, as in we can add, we can extend, we can remix. So right now, what if I created a beat and I'm a vocalist and I actually want to add my own vocals onto it? If you record anything using an external DAW on your laptop or on your computer, you can upload said audio file and then you can use it on top of your beat that you just created using AI. All right, so let's see if we can record. I certify that I own or exclusively control all rights and any content. Agree to terms. All right, so let me actually pause this because I'm not sure I can record my mic and record here at the same time. Okay, so basically what I absolutely just did is that I pressed this big red button right here, and I recorded some vocals. So let's see what happens now. Yeah. All right, so there are 2 ways that you can add your voice. You can record it outside using Audacity, using whatever technology that you use, whatever app that you use, and then you can just press upload and you can get it from your computer and fine-tune it all over the beat, or you can record it in-house. What's going to do is that it's going to give you a minute if you have the free plan. You can upgrade up to 8 minutes using whatever pro plans that you opt in. And you can save it, use it, and mess around with it. And that's how you can add your voice. Now, what you can also do, because as you can see, some of these beats that were created were like not full-length songs that I can use. So what if I wanted to extend or mess around with it? So there you go. You press these little 3 buttons over here, and you say open an editor, which is available in the Pro plan. You can also cover it, meaning you can change stuff up in it. So if you want to extend said song, you get like these little samples based on whatever prompt you gave it, but you can press get full song. And as soon as you press get full song, what happens is that it gives you a longer length. You can add lyrics. Let's say I want to add a full song. Classic rap beef. Now here's what's happening. It's writing an entire song based on the little prompt that I just gave it. Let's see how long it takes. Seconds. Yo, they claim king, sharp with cut deeper than a Jinsu blade. Let's use this option because I saw some unsavory lyrics right here. Let's press remix, and right off the bat, does it turn into a full song? Did it extend and add lyrics? We're about to find out. We have 10 credits to go, and these renew daily, by the way, so it's not a bad deal at all. And this one, I think, because it's longer, it's taking a little bit longer than we anticipated. So let's try and check. Is it work? Sharper cut deeper than a Jinsu blade. Bars heavy, drop them like a dumbbell fade. Let's go. Sitcom rerun on the season finale. Prime time poetry, you midday wazy. So this is the final track that we just created. Full lyrics, vocals, arrangement, all generated by AI in under a minute. And that's how you create music with Suno AI. Now, if you want to create, using your own account, you can use the link in the description below. Don't forget to like. Let us know in the comments what you want to see from us next, and we'll catch you in the next video.